Hi guys, this is Erica Robin and today I'm here at Mashin and I'll be showing you guys my everyday makeup look. I'm gonna moisturize my skin by making a DIY mask. Take a bowl, I'm gonna put the rice powder. This is Fuller's Mask, also known as Multani Mitti. Few drops of lemon. Okay, so this is vitamin E. This is of course honey. Very good for your skin, keeps it moisturized. To make it into a paste, add rose water. Mix, mix, mix. I'm going to apply the mask. By the way, you can also add milk. I do that sometimes. I got this remedy from my mom. उन्होंने बोला था कि बेटा, I think घर के products always works the best because whenever I used to use any like products, तो मुझे हमेशा acne होती थी. It's been like almost 2-3 years I've stopped using products. Okay, so we leave this mask for like 10 to 15 minutes and rinse it off. I just wash my face and it feels so fresh. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप makeup से पहले करें. You can also apply the mask anytime. I use it twice a week. It's the best. So I'm just gonna start with the makeup. I start with rose water again on my face. I'm gonna use my moisturizer, just a little. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my eye cream. For under eye, I always use the middle finger and ring finger. You gotta be gentle. So now I'm gonna start using my foundation. And it's gonna cover all the redness. And I think when you use a little darker foundation, it's easier to highlight the under eye area. Use the Beauty Blender for all the excess product. I am done with the foundation. Now I'm going to use my concealer. By the way, if you have like eye bags, you can also dip your face in cold water. Even that works. I do that sometimes. Miss Universe ka call time hota tha 4 AM, 5 AM, and I used to get ready every day at 7, fully glammed up. So I'm done concealing my eye. Just going to use it on me on the under eye. तो मैं पूरे face पे नहीं लगाती हूँ. Now because we're doing everyday look, I'm just going to use mascara. I'm in love with this mascara. So I'm done with the first coat. I'm gonna go for the second one. What I do, I use a light mascara to separate the eyelashes and then I use volumizing one to make it look thick and heavy. I'm done. Do you see the difference? We're gonna go again with the first coat of Maybelline. Now we go for the second coat. Now I'm applying the mascara on my lower lash. Now we'll go for the eyebrows. Done with my brows. Next step is bronzer. मुझे कभी अपने face का angle नहीं समझ आता था. Now I just do it in seconds. Okay, now it's time for my favorite part, that is blush. I think blush just adds life. Now we're gonna add some highlighter. The last step, that is lipstick. This is my favorite lip color. I use it every day. Look how beautiful this color is. And I think this is one color just सबके face पे जाता है. Lip gloss. Just a little to keep the lips moisturized because it's winter. Never ever step out of the house without fixing your makeup. So I'm finally done with my makeup look. Let me know what you guys think. I had so much fun, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Mashin. Thank you.